See, guys, why do we feel nervous? Everyone, whoever is having this thing that they are feeling nervous. Like in afternoon, one of my student he called me and we had some chat. And he's a very good student, but still he was feeling nervous. So I thought, no, not only this guy. There are so many students. They are not my students. They are involved in. They are enrolled with some other institutes, or they are doing self study. So this guidance should be, see guys, I told you, right, I will be making these kind of videos so that you will feel that okay, there is someone who will talk about such situations. Okay, like at very personal level, no fancy videos, nothing like promotion or something. It's like one to one talk. It's like one to one talk. So why do we feel nervous? See, question is, it's not like you are feeling nervous. It's like, why do you feel nervous? Okay. And because my main target is aerospace student. And next thing is it very common, or it is very rare? What kind of student feel nervous, and what is the solution? So on this I want to talk. See, if you are very new on my channel, go to description, know about me first of all. And crash course is going on in November month and December month, so you can join, or already some offer batches are going on, you can take that subscription. And recently I have launched 2023 video for the admission purpose, that also you can wait. Everything is in the description. Now let's come to the topic. Actually, see, I have one great example, very good example. We are Indians, and India is our country. What if some other country will attack on our country? So as a general, like, seriously I'm saying, when we are very aam aadmi, we are very general public, we are citizens of India, and we have our own, even though war is going on, I'm talking very truly guys, even though war is going on between India and some other country, with other country, but as a general public, I'm not talking that you are posted in some kind of secretariat, or you are working at very high position in politics or something. No, as a general public, like in my family, even though war is going, but we used to have our own problems, and we don't focus that what is going at that level. You know why do we don't focus there? Because we believe in someone. And what is that? Our real heroes, our soldiers, they are working there, because our country safety is in their hands. That's why we know that okay, they will definitely win this battle, and our country and our life will be safe. So now, who is going to tackle the nervousness level? So the political parties, the ruling parties, and all the involved sectors of government, and of course some private sectors, like, they will be feeling nervous in the sense, it's not like they will not feel nervous, because they have to tackle this part. Somehow we have to win this war now. So question is it common? Of course this is common. When you are preparing for some kind of entrance exam, it is very common that you will feel nervous. What kind of student will not feel nervous? Like students, if they have started their preparation on time, if they have enrolled for 2 3 years, they have given 2 3 years in gate preparation, and they have completed everything whatever is required, they will not feel that much nervous. Get my point? They will not feel that much nervous. But somehow, because result is not open, result has not come yet, still exam is on the way, we have not given exam, so almost everyone will feel nervous. But see, what kind of nervous level I am targeting? That you are thinking too much about your result. That kind of nervous level I want to talk in this. Now see, there are some students, they have finished their engineering, they have finished their BE or BTech. After finishing that, they have given one complete year for gate. If you are in third year, no problem, you are not that much, you will not be affected that much if your result will come negative. Or if you are in second year, no problem. And if one more thing, if you are doing any job in any company, and you are targeting as a part-time study, you are targeting gate exam, even you will not be that much nervous. This video is for those students who are giving one complete dedicated year as a drop. They have taken this year as a drop, and then they are giving one complete year. So that kind of students, those kind of students, they feel nervous than other students. So is it common? Yes, it is very very common, guys. So don't worry that you are experiencing some other pressure, something new pressure. I have done GATE exam many times, more than you have done your degree. I have taken GATE exam. Okay, 5 times I have qualified GATE exam, and I know what kind of situations we used to go through. Now I am on YouTube and I am talking about all these things, but in my time there was no actually we were not having that much access of internet. I remember in some 100 rupees we used to get some few MB data, Airtel data that time. And YouTube was very new thing. It used to be very very that kind of thing for us. So now I am here to talk about all these things, and like I told you that whenever I'm making these kind of videos, just watch the video so that it will be like, okay, someone is talking to us about our very personal things, right? And see, it is not like, it is like one to one talk simply. Okay, so I should not diverge from the topic. Topic is why do we feel nervous? So guys, why do we feel nervous? I will tell you. Because you have so many dreams related to your GATE rank. So feeling nervous is good or bad? Feeling nervous is good or bad? So guys, again remember, whether you feel nervous or not does not matter. Seriously, I am telling you, whether you feel nervous or not, it does not matter. Why it does not matter? Because GATE exam has nothing to do whether you are feeling nervous or not. GATE exam has to do with whether you remember the formula or not. So even though if you are feeling nervous, just enjoy this, no problem. You say to yourself, you say like this, man, I am feeling so nervous, but still I have to study and I have to remember the formula. You enjoy this phase. This is your preparation phase. Even though if you are feeling nervous, no problem. And why are you feeling nervous? Because you have attached so many lifestyle with your GATE exam. You have given so many sacrifices in last few months. You are not celebrating any birthday, you are not attending any local parties, you are not attending festivals properly, you are not sleeping well, you are not eating well. So many friends you have left, so many things you have sacrificed because of your GATE exam, and you are thinking, what if you will not perform well in GATE exam? Guys, you tell me one thing. Are you sure that your friend is going to perform very well in GATE exam? Are you sure that your classmate is going to perform very well in GATE exam? No, right? And one thing, you are not doing some chindi exam. You are doing GATE exam, man. This is international level exam. When you will be applying for GATE exam, you might have seen that what nationality you are, you have to fill in the form. We are Indians, man. If we are feeling nervous, it's okay. It's okay to be nervous. No problem at all. Just chill. It's really okay to be nervous. But what is not okay? What is not okay if you are feeling that, man, I became nervous? Come on, man. It's okay if you are being nervous. Just go ahead. Prepare it. Prepare for the formulas. Remember the formulas. Like one of my students, she said, sir, propulsion formulas are being tough. I'm not able to recall. I'm not able to. There's no problem. Bring a rough sheet. Write down formula 10 times, 20 times. You will be getting the formula easily. No problem. You might be knowing that there is a very big formula in static stability chapter, where we deal about CMCG, very big formula. In this, XAC will come, CMAC will come, everything will come. And if you are not able to recall the formula, no problem, write down 10 times. If 10 times is not sufficient, beat that, beat yourself, go for 50 times. This is your time, this is your notebook, this is your exam. And if you're feeling nervous, just keep it silent. Okay, no problem, let's feel nervous, let's keep on doing. Now I'll tell you one thing. Suppose you are sitting at a position A, and in this you are in bus or car. Suppose you are in bus. Okay, you are in any government sarkari bus, and this bus is going from point A to point B, and you are sitting in the bus, and suppose your name is Saurav. Saurav is one of my favorite student of this year. Suppose your name is Saurav. Okay, and you are targeting from this place to this place, and now you are sitting in the bus. Someone else is your driver. Like this is a government bus, someone else is your driver. Now this driver is taking you from point A to point B, and you are sitting in the bus, and now you are feeling nervous. Whether I will reach or not, whether accident will happen, whether someone will steal my purse or something, whether what if I'll get washroom on the way, whether this guy will stop the bus or not, what if like some other examples, what we used to feel in our daily life in the bus journey. What if the tire will get puncture? Okay, let's do nervous. Let's become nervous in this situation that you are going from point A to point B. Okay, give me points. How many points are there to become nervous? Like a few points I have given. You can feel that, okay, what if the driver is some thief? What if there are some terrorists sitting in the bus? What if the tire is puncture? What if night time bus will some accident or something? Give me some more points. There are so many points to become nervous, but no problem, you are in the bus. Within few hours you will reach to point B. Even though you are feeling nervous, that does not make sense for this driver. In same way, like my coaching institute students, my institute students, if you guys are feeling nervous, don't worry guys, let yourself feel nervous. That has nothing to do with your gate result. I am telling you, feel nervous, no problem. Because your gate exam you will clear. I know. You know why will you clear gate exam? Because you know the fundamentals, you know the formulas, you have given so many months. हिंदी में बोलें तो घास छिल के नहीं अपना तुम टाइम वेस्ट किए हो, यहां पर पढ़ाई की हो, मेहनत किए हो, और नर्वस फील कर रहे हो, करो नर्वस, कोई बात नहीं, चलते जाओ, आगे बढ़ते जाओ. नवंबर खत्म हो जाएगा, दिसंबर खत्म हो जाएगा, जनवरी खत्म हो जाएगी, और देखना फरवरी में तुम्हारा अच्छा एग्जाम होगा. ओके, लेट्स कम इनटू let's talk in English. I mean to say that what I said in Hindi. See guys, it's not like you have wasted your 5 to 6 months. We have done very good preparation, right? And actually these kind of videos I used to make for self-study students. So actually you are not enrolled in my tuition, in my institute, but you are preparing by self-study and you are feeling nervous. Guys, listen, don't bother that you are feeling nervous, because if you will bother that you are feeling nervous, then you cannot do something else. If you are feeling nervous, no problem, you just open some book and you just start revising some concepts. You just open your notebook, whatever notes you have taken from internet or YouTube or somewhere, just revise them. And if you are feeling too much nervous, if you are feeling that, oh my god, I'm about to quit this gate exam, if you are in that much nervous position, like no man, nothing can happen, I'm going to quit the gate exam, in that case I will do your counseling. Okay, and definitely it will be the charged counseling. I will charge my fees. If you are that much nervous, then contact me personally. My contact number I will give you here, +9, this is India code, 6380135260. But don't call me directly, first give me a WhatsApp message that you need counseling for gate exam. Okay, and I will do that for you. Definitely I will give you some time and we will talk for half an hour, 1 hour, whatever. Now you see, if few hundred rupees can bring you out of this dark thought, then definitely I will help you. You just pay the amount and I will help you for this. But already I am making these videos on YouTube. Watch all the videos, be happy. Don't feel that some nervousness level is going to make your result down. No man, result is based on your performance in gate exam, and your gate exam performance is based on your preparation. And what is the meaning of preparation? Whether you know the concept, whether you know the formula, that's all. Whether you have done enough practice, that's all. Are you feeling nervous? No, this is not the requirement of gate exam. Are you feeling hectic? This is not the requirement of gate exam. Even if you are feeling nervous, but you know the question, but you know the formula, no problem. You feel nervous, solve the question, that's all. If you know, right, there is a formula. Let's talk about something else. There is a formula in gas dynamics, like T2 by T1 is equal to P2 by P1 whole power gamma by gamma minus 1 by gamma. You know this formula. And now suppose you know this formula, but you are feeling nervous about your gate exam. Now you tell me, if the question will come based on this formula, but you are feeling nervous in exam, and you know that this formula very well, and you know this concept very well, then you tell me, are you going to fail in the exam? No, right? Right? You are not going to fail. So it means what? Even though if you are ready, you know all the formula, you know how to solve the question, but still you are feeling nervous, it means, हिंदी में बोलें, तुम खुद को चूतिया बना रहे हो. तो नर्वस होने की जरूरत नहीं है. क्यों नर्वस होगे तुम, बताओ? Why will you be nervous? So come out of this. You say to yourself, all is well. You know, 3 dates, all is well. Really, all is well. But if being nervous because of some genuine reasons, then you have to be nervous, of course. See, man, this is a very popular thing. Like, if you have done the seed of mango, then you will not get something guava or something. This I don't know this phrase. Okay, there is some phrase, right? So if you have not completed your syllabus, if you have not prepared well, and then you are feeling nervous about the gate result, then of course you have to feel nervous, of course, because you are not prepared. You are not prepared. It means, again, one more thing. It's not like you are feeling nervous. It's like you are bothering about your preparation. Get my point? There is a difference. Okay. So now see what kind of students are feeling nervous. So if student is ready with the syllabus and then student is feeling nervous, then no problem. No problem. Even though if you are feeling nervous, your result will be amazing, as I explained. Okay. And what is the solution? Solution is very simple. Talk to good people. Watch my videos also. And if time permits, if you are my class student, talk to me also. Just have fun in our WhatsApp group. We have 5 groups. You all are into that group, right? Let's have fun. Let's talk something else other than gate exam. If you want to change your mood. Okay. We talk a lot about girlfriend boyfriend in our Facebook, in our WhatsApp groups, right? Have some chill, and then come to track. And or you call me. I will talk to you. Right? Call me means only my institute students I am talking. Okay. Yeah. So before calling, just first you text me on WhatsApp. Okay. I hope it's working. I hope my video is giving you some value. I hope my video is worth for you. And what is the solution here? So as I told you that if you are ready and everything is you are doing good, but still you are feeling nervous, no problem, no problem, no problem. It will not affect your result, and you are going to complete your dream, whatever dream you have made during the preparation. Your father, your mother, your guardian, whoever is like behind your result, whoever is like, they all will be happy once you will write down. I know this. They all will be happy. So don't worry. Always make yourself positive. When you are enrolled too much into study, when you are putting so much effort into study, find some time, find some 10 minutes, 15 minutes, and talk and think very positive, very very positive. Think that yes, I am going to get a good rank. Yes, I'm going to be I'm going to become IITian. Don't even talk to nervous people. Get my point? Don't even talk to those people who talk about syllabus. Like, man, I have finished this much, I have finished this much, but still not feeling confident. Just leave those kind of people. Get my point? Don't talk to such people. They are making these kind of situations that hey, I have done this, have you done this? Hey, I have done this, have you done this? Hey, I have done this, have you done this? Hey, I have done this book also, have you done this book? No, don't talk to those kind of peoples. You sorry, people is by mistake I said people. People is plural noun. Like nowadays I am taking verbal classes, right? Verbal ability. So we should not use peoples. Peoples is wrong. People is correct. It is a plural noun. Okay. Okay. So okay. I hope you are getting. I hope you are getting what my point is. What else I should talk? What is the solution? Solution is, if you have not prepared and still you are feeling nervous, so you deserve to be nervous. Very simple. You deserve to be nervous. There is no miracle. If you have not prepared and but you are feeling nervous, you have only two choices. Either sit and prepare. For that you can go for my 5K video, 5K offer video. If you are not following anyone, if you are following some seniors advice, if you are following any coaching center material or something, then very good. Sit and prepare that. And if you don't know how to do, what to do, then I have an offer. Take that offer and start preparation, or join my crash course. But see one more thing. If you are not sitting and preparing and you are feeling nervous, it's your life. It's now or never. Right? Thank you guys.